Good morning, Klaus.
Morning.
Where are you going?
Well, now we're in Germany right now. We are going to Bagale, and there we meet the guy who will buy Maya. He was already in Sicily and had a look at her, and he was totally enthusiastic after seeing seeing Maya. And yes, now he will buy it, and we will meet him in Bagale now. Now we are landed just in Bagale, and now we will meet the new owner of Maya. Here you can see Bagale.
After a detailed instruction how to use Maya, I wished the new owner all best.
We already sold Maya, and yeah, now we will meet some friends in Styria, and Thomas, is a friend of us, has birthday today, so we are going to celebrate it in the evening and have dinner together.
Let's move on.
Move on to Graz. Yeah, it's the first time I'm relaxing in this car, and I have to say it's really comfortable. As you see, it's a little van too. It's not as big as the last one, but it's a Citroën and Evasion, and the guy who sold me the car, he said it is a very stable car, so it will have no repairs. And
Yes, I sold my van too, because I need more money for our new sailing yacht.
we just landed in Styria, in the south of Styria. Now you have a look at this nice scenery here. And tomorrow in the morning it will look awesome. In Austria we call it the Goldene Herbst.
I'm not saying that the body is perfect. I'm not saying that your mind is gone. I'm not saying that the body is perfect. Take me away, I'll never be wrong. I can't stay, but I won't.
Then we went to a really nice restaurant and celebrated Thomas' birthday and had a delicious dinner together.
I'm not saying that the body is perfect. I'm not saying that your will is gone.
Happy birthday to you.
Genieße, wie schön.
Alone with the way and the body is perfect. And so going alone, mother, so going alone, father.
The next morning I enjoyed the nature.
You can bother, so going alone, mother.
So cool. If you look down here, you see the red colors and the yellow colors. Yeah, this looks really nice, especially in the morning when the fog comes up and everything is full of energy. Good morning, good morning. And now we will do the morning workout. say, don't make fitness training outside. Haben sie mir gesagt, geh in den Garten und ein bisschen Holz hocken. Und so ist das behandelt worden damals.
You are so funny.
No, Arnold said.
And now you think you are Arnold.
No, but we are in.
But you're in Styria and
But
you're
we are-
close to his
But we are in
hometown.
Styria, close to the hometown of Arnold Schwarzenegger. Once more. And now we make breakfast in this nice kitchen here with this nice view to the vineyards. And now we have our second breakfast with some nice cheesecake made by Kati. Very good. And everyone is enjoying this good food. Tom is chilling in the sun. And we can say Styria rocks. Now we are on the way with Tom's machine. And the girls are happy because we will drink some beer. Because we will drink some wine now, not beer. We will drink some wine.
In some areas in Austria it is usual to have a wine taste before buying. So we did it and enjoyed it a lot.
Now we bought some wine. Here from the Dement, Weingut Dement Südsteiermark. Very nice, good taste. A dry white wine. And here we are directly at the border of Austria. So Tom, the house over there, it's in Slovenia.
Sloven.
You know, he's only speaking different languages. Yeah, but it looks so nice. So now we're at the next wine resort. So we have to name it with numbers, not with names. We are in number 3 now. And I hope at number 12 or 13 I can speak. And this is called chestnut. Chestnuts. It's a typical chestnuts.
In the afternoon we drove home because Vita had organized a Halloween party with a lot of friends.
My parents
We are at home from the Styria, south of Austria.
Okay.
With some
Kastanien-Schokolade. So the 2 days are gone, and my party is in Arbeit. Oh, Julia. Yeah. Your makeup. And their makeup. You are a bed. So that's our makeup, and now we go. We are back from the trick-or-treating, and look what we got. We got €5 and oh my god. Oh my god.
And all the girls enjoyed the party big time.